Okay, let's start our video. Snowstorm, Baltimore, 26 January. It's just about an inch or 2 inches. Time is it? It's around 5 in the morning. This is around the house. Yan. Malakas pa ang snow is still falling. It's just started 3 hours ago. So we will use this car to explore. This we use the Land Cruiser to explore. Iwan natin si Tandra. Tabihin natin si LC. Ayun si FJ sa likod. Ayan yung forerunner ni Sheila. This is the neighborhood right now. 5 o'clock in the morning. Snow is still falling. It's gonna fall I think until lunchtime. So we'll see. Ay, may dumaan na. Somebody already went through. I thought I'm gonna be the first one. But anyway, hindi pa naman na plaplaw. So I'm gonna do it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, that's Ron. That's my neighbor. Okay, pasok na tayo. Sakyan. Alright.
And we belong. We touched and we felt more.
In postseason football, you need to find that extra gear. On FanDuel, it's called Playoff Mode. Big boosts, more rewards, and a whole new way to live parlay with Drive SGP. Turn on Playoff Mode, only on FanDuel.
New customers bet $5 and get $300 in bonus bets if you win. 21 plus and present in Maryland. First online real money wager only. $5 deposit required. Bonus issued as non-withdrawable bonus bets which expire 7 days after receipt. Restrictions apply. See full terms at FanDuel.com/sportsbook. Please play responsibly. For help, visit mdgamblinghelp.org or call 1-800-GAMBLER.
Wow, it's you, the Capital One Bank guy.
That's what they call me.
Mind if I get a selfie?
Yeah, sure thing. Save no fees or minimums on your Capital One checking account.
Wow, that's a keeper. So, where are you heading?
I'm off to spread the good news that Capital One helps people keep more money in their wallet with no overdraft fees.
Oh, you're the best Capital One Bank guy.
Hey, mind if I get a selfie?
Sure.
Say, Capital One, what's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank for details. Capital One NA, member FDIC. When you download the DoorDash Dasher app and sign up to deliver, there's more delivery options, which means more ways to earn.
Cool. So if I don't like shopping for groceries because I always run into that one weird girl from high school who's all like, hey, hun, want to join my pyramid scheme? Then I don't have to?
Grocery shop or join the pyramid scheme.
Both?
Yeah, just deliver other stuff instead with Dash preferences.
I like that.
There's more to deliver and more ways to earn on DoorDash. Download the Dasher app, sign up today, and start earning within days. Subject to eligibility.
Sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. So try to forget. There was something left in my head. You're the one sad. To make it stop. I don't wanna feel lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said. There was something left in my hands. I won't forget the way you kissed. So strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why, oh, I know. I was almost about to lose my faith. Still dreaming. If it was too late, but then you came along to my surprise. excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart, breaking my heart again. This is where our journey ends. You're breaking my heart again. There is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart, breaking my heart again. This is where our journey ends. You're breaking my heart again.
In postseason football, you need to find that extra gear. On FanDuel, it's called playoff mode. Big boosts, more rewards, and a whole new way to live parlay with Drive SGP. Turn on playoff mode, only on FanDuel.
New customers bet $5 and get $300 in bonus bets if you win. 21 plus and present in Maryland. First online real money wager only. $5 deposit required. Bonus issued as non-withdrawable bonus bets which expire 7 days after receipt. Restrictions apply. See full terms at FanDuel.com/sportsbook. Please play responsibly. For help, visit mdgamblinghelp.org or call 1-800-GAMBLER.
Wow, it's you, the Capital One Bank guy.
That's what they call me.
Mind if I get a selfie?
Yeah, sure thing. Say no fees or minimums on your Capital One checking account.
Wow, that's a keeper. So, where are you heading?
I'm off to spread the good news that Capital One helps people keep more money in their wallet with no overdraft fees.
Oh, you're the best Capital One Bank guy.
Hey, mind if I get a selfie?
Sure.
Say, Capital One, what's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank for details. Capital One NA, member FDIC.
Want to know the easiest way to make cash? Become a Dasher with DoorDash and make cash whenever you want. All you have to do is download the DoorDash Dasher app. Signing up only takes a few minutes. You can dash with a car, a scooter, even a bike. Once you're in, you can start earning whenever you want. No boss and no schedule. The best part is you can cash out instantly. No more waiting for payday. Visit DoorDash.com/earn today to learn more.
Want you to know I'm a man. See the beauty, say it again. Want you to know I'm a man you
Olivia loves a challenge. It's why she lifts heavy weights and likes complicated recipes. But for booking her trip to Paris, Olivia chose the easy way with Expedia. She bundled her flight with a hotel to save more. Of course, she still climbed all 674 steps to the top of the Eiffel Tower. You were made to take the easy route. We were made to easily package your trip. Expedia, made to travel. Flight inclusive packages are ATOL protected.
We've all been there. You hold on to a coupon but forget about it, and suddenly it's expired.
Expired in 2012. Dang it.
Fortunately, by switching to Geico, you could save about $900 on car insurance without ever touching a coupon.
It feels good to save big. It feels good to Geico.
It's a new year, yet somehow our video calls still look like it's 2021. Same webcam, same flat energy, same missed opportunity. This year, upgrade your video with Airtime. Airtime Camera gives you ultimate control over how you show up on video. Touch up your appearance, add some aesthetic pop, or drop in quick visuals and GIF reactions right in the moment. Make Airtime your default camera for Zoom, Meet, Teams, wherever you're on video, and start standing out the moment you turn your camera on. Get it for Mac and Windows at airtime.com. That's airtime.com.
Get fast answers to agriculture questions with Tilva, Penn State Extension's new AI assistant. Tilva gives you responses 24/7 at extension.psu.edu/asktilva.
I know you're